I'm Todd Finnerty, and this is your membership minute for April 1st. After numerous requests for additional demand index categories, the AutoCare team has done the painstaking work of collecting and categorizing several of demand index product categories. Our new categories that are now available in our TrendLens platform include piston return springs, muffler bearings, hollow spark plug wires, cross-drilled brake lines, and of course, radiator springs. When viewing any of the previously listed product lines, we recommend including the additional new category of cans of elbow grease. We also included additional fluid categories such as headlight and blinker fluid. And of course, as we get ready to move into the spring driving season, the important tire category of winter and summer air for tires. If you have any questions about our new TrendLens product categories, please send us a message. And now, back to our regularly scheduled programming.